we've watched the video and reviewed the planets, we're going to look at some pictures of them. Okay? So we're going to say these all together as I'll show you, and then I'm going to take them on the board. So the first one is Mercury. Everybody say Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The next one is Venus. Everybody say Venus.
Venus.
What's the name of this one?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. What's important about Earth?
It's where we live.
It's where we
We
live.
have to take care of it.
It has water.
Yes, perfect. Everybody say Mars.
Mars.
The next one is Jupiter.
Jupiter.
And Saturn.
Saturn.
Keep repeating. Keep repeating. Don't fall asleep. Uranus.
Uranus.
And last but not least, Neptune.
Neptune.
How many planets do we have?
8.
8. All right. And so now, we're going to learn an easy way to remember our planets, which is my very easy planet. My very easy method just speeds up names. Okay? Now, how do you think we get to space? How do you think we get to space?
Rockets.
Right. So, we are going to do a little activity. I want you all to color and cut out your rockets. Only one. You don't have to do those.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The stars.
You don't have to do the stars. No, not the stars. Just the rockets. And while you're setting that, I'm going to give you a little facts about rockets. To name a rocket, one of the really popular rockets is the Apollo 11. And it's the rocket that took Neil Armstrong, which is the first man to land on the moon, to space, him and Buzz Aldrin. So that's an important fact. You need to remember that. And then I'm going to also pass you out straws. Do not rip the paper yet. Do not rip your straws yet. Yes. You need crayons? Let me know. I'll give you crayons. Anybody else need crayons? And after you finish coloring those, you can go ahead and cut them out. Yes. And scissors. Okay. Here's some scissors. Everybody have scissors? Anybody else have scissors? Scissors, scissors. This is the first one. Do not open your straws yet. You're not following directions. You can try to put it up there.
Jeez. Good thing she had extras.
Right? That's not a smart thing to put your rocket. Everybody done coloring your rocket?
Yes.
Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to get a piece of tape and you want to tape your rocket to your straw. So you don't want to tape, you want to tape your rocket all the way at the top.
So we don't open it?
That's why you have to.
Okay, and we don't open it?
No, you don't open it yet. So you're going to tape your rocket to the top. And then you can color the bottom of your straw so it looks like fire, and then just color like a little bit of it because the bottom part you're going to rip off. You're going to rip off like half of it.
Like this, like right?
Mm-hmm. You just want to rip off just a little bit of the bottom. And now I'm coming around with tape so you can tape your rockets to your straw. You want to tape it to the paper part at the very top. Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
All right, let's see. Nice rockets. We're almost done. So now, everybody come up to the board. So now you're going to make your rockets travel. Okay, so you have to stand with your legs have to be touching the disc. And you can just make your rockets travel to whatever planet you want.
Okay.
Yep, you just blow. There you go.
Oh, you went to Mars.
So you get to visit and you can do it as many times as you want. Yeah, it should just slide right back in. It's not going back in.
Should.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, and keyword.
Mine doesn't want to fly to outer space.
Mechanical failures.
It's gonna fly.
Get mine back on.
Maybe if I tell you real quick.
Maybe. All right. So now we're gonna go. Oh, she got his back on.
Oh, me
It
too.
took me a minute.
How you doing it so
I only put a little of it on the end.
So like all like this.
No, I mean like I only have that much of it showing,
Oh.
and then I blow it all off. So I only ripped off a little piece.
Wow. Okay.
All right. So now we're gonna go back to our seats, and we're gonna see if you all remember the planets and how to name them. So what was the clue I gave you on how to name the planet?
My very easy method
Just
just speeds up
names.
names.
Very good. So I want you to remember that when you're doing this worksheet, okay? So now you're going to list the planets in order from the sun, using exactly what I just gave you. Next. Done? Everybody done? So let's say them all together. Starting with the first one. What's the first one?
Mercury,
What's next?
Venus,
Next.
Earth,
Next.
Mars,
Next.
Jupiter,
Next.
Saturn,
Next.
Uranus,
Last.
Neptune.
Very good.
That's it.